After the contract has been awarded, but before construction begins, the contractor is required to review the plans and specifications. A careful review will avoid confusion and problems later on. Examples of things that could lead to delays in construction and added cost are contained in your student study guide. Any questions or concerns that arise during this review by the contractor should be clarified through the government. This is referred to as a Request for Information, or RFI. At any time during the contract, questions or problems may arise that require clarification from the government. In order to efficiently handle the transfer of information, the contractor should include procedures in the quality control plan to accommodate the RFI process. Each RFI may be handled by a separate letter, by using pre-printed forms, or by including it in the daily quality control report. Both the RFIs and the responses from the government should be documented and transmitted as mutually agreed upon by both the contractor and the government. Any discrepancies in the contract which prompt an RFI should include a recommended solution from the contractor. If an RFI is submitted by a subcontractor or supplier, it's the responsibility of the prime contractor to review the request and coordinate it among his offices. Under no circumstance should the RFI be passed to the government without this coordination being accomplished. For design-built contracts, the designer of record must answer RFIs concerning the contractor's design and extensions of design required by the plans and specifications. In addition to reviewing the government plans and specifications, the quality control manager must also review all contractor-furnished designs associated with the project. This may include design-build, a type of contract where the quality control plan includes reviews to ensure that the design will comply with the criteria provided in the RFP. Another example would be extensions of design where the contractor is required to provide designs for features of the project, like pre-engineered metal buildings or fire alarm and protection systems. In this case, it's very important that the contractor's designs coordinate with all other aspects of the project to maintain proper interfaces. When submitting a Value Engineering Change Proposal, or VECP, the contractor must make sure proper coordination has taken place for all elements of the project affected by the proposal. Once the VECP has been accepted by the government, the contractor must make sure that the changes for all other applicable work are discussed to guarantee the full savings benefit. A careful review of contract documents and extensions of design by the contractor will contribute to the overall success of the project. The QC manager must be in place for the design phase of design-build contracts. The QC manager must take an active role in the review and coordination of the design that includes, but is not limited to, constructability, operability, environmental review of all drawings and specifications, coordination between the different disciplines and trades to prevent any interferences between different components, selection of materials, and equipment to assure utilities connectivity physically fitting into provided spaces.